said one is enough for you. Just eat your darn fruit now. Are you afraid of this lion? Let's show him how it's done. Why did you steal Caillou's Kool-Aid, Rosie? Time out you go, Rosie. I said no, Caillou. We're going home right now. Nope, he needs hydrogen peroxide. Stay still, Caillou. No more M&Ms for you, Caillou. Eat it. It's cheesy and delicious. It's Berry Hill, Skippy. It's... Oh yes, mustard and ketchup on pizza. Now eat it. How is it, Caillou? What did I say about not breaking my iPad, Caillou? Save it! No more iPad for you, Caillou. No more ring pops for you, Caillou. No more ring pops for you, Caillou.